The Parkinson's Action Network is an organization that does all the policy work for the entire Parkinson's community here in Washington, D.C. What that means is that the Parkinson's Action Network works on any government issues that impact the Parkinson's disease community. That could be Medicare, Social Security, federal funding for very much needed biomedical research. But what's really unique and exciting about PAN is that we represent the entire community, all the national organizations, the Fox Foundation, National Parkinson's Foundation, the Parkinson's Disease Foundation, and the Parkinson Alliance. We represent all of them, as well as people with Parkinson's, their families, researchers, clinicians here in Washington, D.C. So we speak with one voice on these very important issues that impact the Parkinson's disease community and all of us. The main priorities for PAN really break down in three different areas. We're an educational charity, 501c3 charity, and we run valuable education programs to educate people in the Parkinson's community about how the government actually impacts them and their Parkinson's disease. I think a lot of people don't realize when they're diagnosed with Parkinson's or a family member is how much the government really does impact in terms of programs and research their journey with this disease. So we have an educational program on our policy issues. We also run a program, a grassroots program, where we encourage people who have Parkinson's and who care about the Parkinson's disease issues to reach out to their members of Congress on issues that are important to our community. The staff here in Washington spend a lot of time looking at these issues and determining when an issue is coming up that's important to the Parkinson's disease community. And we then reach out to the grassroots, people who are in our database, and let them know when there's an important issue coming up that their member of Congress or the administration will be acting on. And we encourage people to use their voice and let the government know how they feel about these important issues. So many people with Parkinson's disease are on Social Security disability and/or Medicare, and it's hugely important that those programs are run in a way that is appropriate for our community. So many decisions are being made right now, particularly in the areas of the Affordable Care Act and Medicare, that will significantly impact our communities. But people need to understand that those decisions can be influenced, and it's a major role for the Parkinson's Action Network to reach out to the Medicare programs, the Affordable Care Act decision makers, and make sure they understand the needs of our community and that the decisions they're making are appropriate for us.